Hey y'all, I want to talk to you about this Rain Bird classic sprinkler nozzle. You know, I've had Rain Birds my whole life, and I'm a 58-year-old grandma, so that's been a lot of them. And I'm really excited when Rain Bird offered to send this new version of this classic to me. I jumped at the chance. I've always enjoyed these handles. They're really super easy to use. You can adjust the nozzle or the spray. You can put this little thing down to hold it to spray, and I'm going to hook it up here, and I'm going to clean off my camping rug. So I'm even more excited to have it now that I'll be able to use it for this project. This is the wider spray. Right now I'm just going to use it. I really like the strength of the spray. It's going to help me get this camping rug cleaned up. It's a very easy grip. Have you ever bought one of those cheap plastic hose nozzles? They crack, they leak, they never last more than a season. That's why I'm so glad that Rain Bird sent me this plastic pistol grip hose nozzle. It's made with a durable zinc metal body and has multiple spray patterns. Perfect for everything from watering flowers to blasting dirt off of your camping rug. I really like this sprayer nozzle, and I really appreciate them sending it to me to do this review. Thanks for watching.